tonight, so that will bring our total number of waiata up to around 15 songs. So if you've been following us, you'll have a good 15 waiata in your kete now. These what? Excuse me. So, these waiata, just like waiata tautoko, you know, they're Maori waiata, so please don't be asking me to sing a Rarotongan, a Cook Island, a top 20 number on the... No, we are here to sing waiata Maori, and just to fill up people's kete while we're in lockdown. Hopefully we all kind of, you know, doing some things to kind of upskill while we've got time on our hands, and to have a good number of waiata Māori, waiata tautoko, so when you go to a hui, you know, we've all been in those situations, hey Rob, where your uncle has to do a mihi at the cousin's wedding, and then he looks around at you to sing a song, and you're it. So what are you going to sing when you're in these situations, and it's just you, and you've got to pull a rabbit out of a hat? Well, it's better to be prepared than standing there singing me manurere, and there's nothing wrong with that, but you know, or marapati, just to have a good little selection of waiata, and it's not hard, but I know sometimes people don't know where to go to get these waiata if you can't hang out at your local marae, or you're disconnected from your marae. Where are you going to go to find these waiata? So these are some of the waiata that my favorite ones. Tonight we're also gonna, for all you tai tokero, muri whenua, aupori, te rarawa, all you people from the far north, which is where we are both from. Your iwi is
Ngāti Kau,
and
Ngā Takapo,
and
Te Apauri,
and
Te Rarawa.
the most important one of all, Te Rarawa. And my connections are Te Rarawa Ngāti Kuri, so a lot of the waiata that I know are from there, but so far we have done one waiata, Ngā Pua Wai o Ngāpuhi, which is like the national anthem from Te Taitokero, Ngāpuhi. Kia ora, Kirsten, Julian, Rose in Sydney, tēnā koe, Rose, Cole, Ange. Oh, Ngāti Kuri. Oh, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, te whanaunga. Ngāti Kuri in the house tonight. Last time it was Te Rarawa and Ahipara, so no doubt they'll be jumping on too. But nice to have some Ngāti Kuri here, because you all know we're kind of few and far between. We're spread out all over the place. Hi, Kaz. My cousin Isa Aiono in Sydney, yeah. So, yeah, good to have you fellas along. This is our waiata session. We're going to be learning 3 waiata tonight, and they are, because I'm so prepared, not whakarongo ki te reo, that's the muri whenua one, and te manu rongo, an oldie but a goodie. Beautiful harmonies, but you know, don't be expecting us to be harmonizing to each other. It's more like cats strangling one another. And good old he honore, which is a staple, must know at all the hui, all the marae. Everybody, there's one song everybody knows is he honore, amongst others. So let's get into it. We'll go over some of our previous waiata. Let's start with, yes, you know it, Tāne Mahuta. Hey Rob, do you want to kick us off? Rob's going to do a solo tonight.
Oh, yeah, right.
No, he's not. Tāne Mahuta. So, you fellas should all have your... Kia ora, Ian. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're always falling off because of the storms. Yep, take care out there. So on the Manawa Ora page, all the kupu to all the waiata are on there. Just go on there, print them off. Or you like us, have a double screen going because we flash all the printouts. Right, tāne mahuta. Toru. Pa. Ia rite koe. Ki te tōtara. E tu kia. Tāne mahuta aramai. Maori Ora. Te wairo te tōtara. Tāne mahuta. Ora hia ngā he. Puri ane. E te hau. Makere ana. E tu. Tāne mahuta ano. Ia rite koe. Ki te tōtara. E tu. Tāne mahuta. Maori Ora. Maori Ora. Te wairo te tōtara. E tu. Tāne mahuta. Ora hia ngā here. Puri ane. E te hau. Makere ana. E tu. Tāne mahuta. Tāne mahuta. Tāne mahuta. Chair. Right, second one is Wairua tapu. Wairua tapu. Toru. Pa. from above. Cover all we hold dear, give us your love, lay us down so all is right, teaching us to hold on to what is right. Cleanse us so we may keep hold. Yours is the true glory. Amen to that. Amen to that. Hey Rob, you're going good.
Keep moving.
I feel like Susie Cato for some reason. Why do I feel like Susie Cato? Come over here.
Oh.
Must be the glasses. Steph. Hi Steph. Kia ora. Acacia. Kia ora, kia ora. Right. Ko te aroha no he wai. Tai aroha is te ingoa o tēnei waiata. Not he tai nui is what I've been calling it for ages. Tai aroha. Alright. Danielle. Okay, if you're just jumping on, this is our Waiata Maori session. Kupu on the Manawa Ora Mirimiri and Workshops page, the words for the Waiata on there. This is session number 5, and we're learning 3 more Waiata tonight, and that'll bring our total number of Waiata up to 15. Yes, 15 songs. If you've been following us, then you'll have 15 songs in your kete. So you look real flash when you go to a hui and your uncle asks you to stand up and sing a Waiata tautoko for him. You won't look stupid. You'll know a song you can sing. Ta-da! Right, what's the next one, Rob?
What are we on?
Tiaho. Ah.
Have we done
No, but he's on wheels. He's on wheels tonight, so I can just pull him over with a rope. Ti aho mai. Moru. Ti aho mai te whetua te ata. O hui te a whare aro I te pō. Tatu te amarama he ahara. Tu mai a koe he tohu I aha. Tu mai a koe he tohu I aha. Ti aho mai te whetu te apa. O pumi te a whare aro te pō. Patu te amarama he ahara. Tu mai a koe he tohu I aha. Tu mai a koe he tohu I aha. E kore te aloha, e kāpare no au. E nā ki ahau, e te tā. Hoki mai a ki aha, e te tā. From the top. Ti aho mai te whetu o te ata. O ui te a whare aro I te pō. Ka tu te amarama he ahara. Tu mai a koe he tohu I aha. Tu mai a koe he tohu I aha. Let's measure. Ti aho mai Ti aho mai Where's, okay, te manu, right. Yeah, okay. Get all these tunes running around in my head. Okay, let's do this muri whenua one. Whakarongo ki te reo is the name of it, or muri whenua. There's so many songs with the same names, and this is one of them. Whakarongo ki te reo. I know like 6 songs with that name. But this is the muri whenua one. It's an action song. It's a poi. Ngāti Kuri girl, is she still on there? Now all the old kuias would love that song, all the nannies, they'd probably get up and kori to it. It's just a real kōkua song. Ka pai? We might just slow it down a bit so you fellas can get where the words in that change, because it is a little bit tricky. Ka pai? That's wrong. Ngāti kahu te rarawa. Both of us. Muri whenua from the top. Karo whakaro ki te reo, ki te reo. O te hiku, o te ika. Got it wrong? Taka ia. And of course, appropriate if you actually whakapapa to, what's the iwi? Yeah. Ngāti Kuri.
Yeah.
And?
What, all of them?
Yes.
Oh. Ngāti Kuri te Pauri. Ngā takato, Ngāti kahu te rarawa.
Or muri whenua, in other words. All of those iwi all together, known as muri whenua. Ka pai. Should we sing it fast now? Should we do the actions?
Yeah.
Poi.
Let's go.
We'll get you doing a poi?
Yeah.
Okay, I've got a poi over here.
Oh, yeah, you're going to knock on your head.
Really cool action song or cool poi song. Don't move it, Rob.
Oh.
Far out. Let's sing it again. A bit faster. Ia, mai, whānau. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. D. D. Right, and say... Hey, where did that one go?
Here.
Whakarongo. No, no, no.
What are you looking for?
The other two waiata. The new one. It was right under there, wasn't it? Oh, okay.
There.
Alright, the next one. Te Manurongo. So I'm assuming a few people out there will already know this song. It's quite well known. An oldie but a goodie. A Tino Atahua song. If you got all the harmonies going, just like, you know, Rob's going to be doing any minute now. Te Manurongo. Te Manurongo. Oops. Hello.
Not a chance.
She's ringing up to say, how do I get on the thing page, Robert? Hook me onto the page. Where you going? Everyone's running away. Okay, what are we doing now? So that was our second waiata, Te Manu Rongo. What is the meaning, I hear you ask? A spiritual bird. The spirit bird. Yeah, I think it was written by a man who is actually Baha'i. So it's got a very spiritual, you know, follow the spirit bird, see where it lands, listen to what it's saying, listen to the words of the manu, follow it, don't delay or you will get left behind. Me whai mai rā I te manu rongo I tōna kupu. Yeah, so follow the bird and listen to the words of the bird of peace, really. That's the bird of peace. Yeah, very spiritual. Kailen, Kazi, this fly is annoying me. Yes, so we've done that one, and we've done Pakarongo Muri Whenua one. And the third one we're going to go over tonight is He Honore. Again, anywhere you go, anywhere in the motu, everybody knows this song. It's a karakia as well. Goodwill to all mankind, that karakia, but a very well known waiata, and probably heaps of you know this one too. He honore, he korohia, manarongo I te whenua. Come on again.
Oh, you chicken!
Get up! It's on my foot! Sorry, whānau. Technical difficulties here with the fly buzzing around. It's really distracting us. Right. Oh, sorry. Reflexes. Did you kill it? Did you get it?
No, it's gone outside.
One job, Robert. One job. One job. I think he's gone in my cup of tea. All right, we'll come back to those ones. We'll come back to...
Oh, kia ora, Auntie Rihi.
Who's who?
Auntie Rihi.
We'll come back to those ones. I just need a...
Yeah.
Need a break. Especially that whakarongo one. Oh, wow. Me mihi ki te rangi e tū iho nei, te whaia papatuanuku e takoto nei, horahia te mārino ki runga ki te moana toia mai, te waka kumea mai, ki te tākoto ranga ai, te tākoto ai te waka. Me mihi. Me mihi ki te rangi e tū iho nei, te whaia papatuanuku e takoto nei, horahia te mārino ki runga i te moana, toia mai, te waka kumea mai. Ow! My butt's going numb. Waiata! Drink. Hey.
Yeah.
Jesus. Anyway. Everyone think it's like downhill.
Just
Put your brakes on, Rob. Just sit still. Ka Waiata. Have we sung that one yet? Okay. Ka Waiata, whānau. Ka Waiata kia Maria hinei. There it is. Hinei. You're too slow. Whakamea te mai te whare tangata. Ine pūratu. Okay, shut up and sing. Ka Waiata kia Maria hinei whaka whakamea te mai te whare Oh, chow, we know heaps of songs, whānau. Heaps, we're just rattling them off. Hey, Rob. Well, one of us is. Some of these Waiata, I mean, I know them, but I'm a bit rusty too. That's why we got our, we got our glasses on. We got the kupu down here. It has been a while, but this fella here, he's learning a lot of these songs too. Hey, Rob.
That's right.
You used to sing them maybe way back in the day, in the 40s. Way back. Way.
Just hurry up.
Way back. But some of these I used to sing at Kohanga Reo and school with my when my boys were little sprogs at Ahipara Primary. They sang a lot of these too, and at Kohanga. So yeah, we've been singing them a long time. We're just a bit rusty. Okay, te pai. So we're going to sing Mā Te Kahukura. This is one we learned in probably our second session.
Oh, hey, Cuz Colin. Need your voice here, brother.
Yes, we do. Yes. I won't argue with Rob. But, every week he gets better. Hey, Dom, she says, I'm impressed with you, Rob. We've seen a good chunk of you tonight on screen. And...
Are you saying I put on weight?
And she can hear you singing. He says, moving out of the frame. So, yeah, this is why we're sitting in a different format. To try and keep him in the frame. Yeah, I agree. All right, so we'll sing Mā Te Kahukura. Toru pa Mā Te Kahukura. Okay, we're going to start again because, far out, some people aren't ready. Stay Stay there. Okay. Porirua. Hi, bird. Ate kankura kare te manu Mawana. This way. Nah, I can't. It won't go live. It won't go live if I lie the phone. Hey, we tried that, eh?
Lie
The phone's
down.
got a... Yeah, no, it won't go live that way.
Sideways.
Yeah. Will it?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No. Well, you turn yours sideways then.
Why?
Don't touch mine because it'll probably go off.
No, guys. It's just set.
Hey.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, Anna. He just turned it sideways.
Oops.
It actually turned off, so we can't go the long ways. Yeah, that's why I got him to do it, not me. So
Hey,
cut off.
egg.
Yeah,
Oops.
cut off. Okay, what's the next one, whānau? Shall we go back to our 3? Oh, I just don't have the energy to sing Kapi Oi Oi. I'll probably puck out halfway through. Yeah, he's got to get back on now. Kapi Oi Oi ka, ka hore te pi oi oi te pone. Oh no, I'm going to puck out halfway through that one. Okay, so let's go back to Te Manurongo. Oh yes, learned something, eh Renee? We learned something tonight.
What?
About turning your phone sideways. It doesn't like going sideways on the live feeds. Te Manurongo. Toru pa. Te Manurongo. can't read. Oh, Brenda Wells. Kia ora. Okay, what was the first song we started? Oh, the Muri Whenua one, whānau. For you Muri Whenua te rarawa te aupori Ngāti Kahunga i tahoto. Te aupori people out there. He's an oldie. Whakagore.
Good one for you to learn, Mr. Gage.
Mr. Gage.
He's Ngāti
Here
Kahunga.
Here Winnie. He says. You just can go and Tonga. Good night. I'm tired now. I'm going to sleep. It's Rob's moko in Whangarei. Ko Māori e Tonga.
Hard to be 12.
It is, eh? Hard. Can you remember when you were 12? It's going to swat me in a minute. Okay. Yada ki arite anai. No. What haven't we sung? There's something we haven't sung.
Whakataka.
Whakaroma, whakataka. You sure? Whakataka te hope. I'm sure we sang it. Wairuata. Waiata. Oh, something like that. Kiarite. Ma. We gotta go over these on the
Gone through them.
Do you want to sing Na Pua Wai o Ngā? Do you know that one off by heart? Down here, down here. Na Pua Wai o Ngā Puhi. Rosie Henry, would you like your son to sing you a song? Look, he did it again. He goes, Rosie, I wonder if she knows that Whakaaro song. Oh, what was the song that? What was the song? What was the song that Eve was doing the actions to in the kitchen?
Pio Pio.
Oh no.
Yes.
Was it?
Yeah.
Damn it! had to ask. Kapi ai ai. It's over there. Over there. Alright, Eve, this song for you, because you like doing the kani and the wharekai. The kihini. I heard a little bird told me. Ready, Bob? You ready?
I got you back.
6 cylinders. 6 cylinders. Come on, let's rank it up. Happy oi oi. Happy oi oi. Porirua hokai na. Hoki mai ai. Hoki mai na. Yaki te ati toi e. E rota na. E rota na. E kata na maria. Putana petero. Putana petero. Mai te ihi o matua. Yaki te atu ano. Yaki te atu ano. I toa kākora e kanapara. Pupuhi ai e te hoi kokohia pura e mata. Hapi ai e konga ruha hataina. E hoki mai ai, kia ki te atu toi e. E rota ana, e rota ana, e kata na maria. Putana petero mai te ihi o matua. Kia ki te atu ano, kia ki te atu ano, i toa kahua i kanapara. Pupuhi ai e te hau kokohia puro e mata. Hapi oi e tonga rua hokaina. Hapi oi e tonga rua hokaina. See you there. Yes, please, says Rosie. Hope she's got a groove on with that one. Okay. Waiata. Let's sing that one again. Ka waiata. And then we'll sing Mā Te Kahukura after that one. Kia ora, Barbara. And I'm signing my, what? Oh, singing my heart out, says Dom. Yes, you better be. Hi, Tam. Kia ora, Tam. Ka waiata. Hey. Putting me off. You gotta focus. Behave. Toru. Waiata. Kia Maria. Inei whakai. Maka mea tama. Te whare tama. What do you mean a hiko? Ine uratu. Ine nā I got one for you, Rosie. Do, 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 do.
She likes Tom Jones.
Tom Jones.
Kenny Dale.
Oh, far out. Don't get stuck. Kenny Dale. Two hearts tangled in love. Two hearts tangled in love like yours and mine. Two good people are having a good time. Need them be good baby you help from above. Two hearts tangled in love. Two hearts go. Two hearts tangled in love like yours and mine. Two good people are having a good time. Needing me, but baby use help from above. Two hearts tangled in love. Go. Two hearts tangled in love. Oh, Kenny Dale. Way off the kaupapa. I said no, Rarotongan, but I didn't say no, Kenny Dale. He's like Maori because he actually came to our Marae in Aipara. Yes, he came to our Marae and he signed this guitar, and it was a waterproof pen, so it washed off. Didn't get the vivid on there, but he actually touched this guitar. The man is a god in Aipara. Hey Rosie, I don't think he came, but every other kuya was at Roma Marae when Kenny Dale came. Oh, your auntie
Including
was there?
Auntie Silla.
Auntie Silla was there and she sang. Man, she was the bomb. She was so cool. She got up and she sang. Man, she gave Kenny Dale a run for his money. I think she wanted to join his crew, but he didn't have any spare spaces for her. Man, that brings back memories. Okay, all right. That's for, actually, here's another one for my mother-in-law.
Oh, it's for her now.
Yes. No, her and Eve, because they're both watching. just, you know, being spontaneous. Jeez. I want to put my back out, man. All right, back to our first three. Where is... Right, yeah, look. Cut. Ooh, not that one. Not... Hey, where's the free? Okay, our Muri Whenua song. We'll just go over our what's the time? Our three songs we're learning tonight. Yeah,
9:30.
Holy heck! Oh, time flies. Right, let's go over our first three songs that we're supposed to be learning, and we always get sidetracked with all the Kenny Dale and everybody else. Muri Whenua. Out there would have noticed I got a spelling mistake. It's not weddle here, weddle here. It's weddle here. So cut out the extra weddle. We don't need three. We only need two. I blame this. My weddle here. It's just erua. Rob, far out, man. You need to be, you know, watch your spelling. Okay. is right, says Patty Broughton. Chur chur, says Carlene. Double that chur. Triple that chur. Right, he honore is our last one to finish off with. Okay, that's us for this session number 6. Stay posted to our Manawa Ora Mirimiri workshop page. In about 4 days we'll have another. I'll throw up some more waiata. We're going to get to 20 songs in the next couple of sessions, so you guys stay tuned. If you got your book, put all your waiata in your puka puka, and you have got that from here on out. You've got it there. You can go over these videos and revise our waiata. It's so cool when you've got a kete of waiata you can take anywhere with you, and you're never caught out. You're never ever caught out. So thanks for joining us.
Kia ora, Aaron.
I'm sure Rob wants to. Do you want to say anything?
No. Ka pai.
You've been pretty good tonight, whānau. Oh, man. Woo. Wow. He's on fire. Fire. See this? Puts me off. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, whānau. Any suggestions for our next session in about 4 days, just message me, throw them up on the page, whatever. I'll give it a blast. Doms, I'm sure you've got some little pohi. I know you got some good waiata. Pull them out. Why don't you do a session, maunga pohatu waiata? Man, we'll tune into you fellas.
And you, Mr. Nelson, we tune into you too.
I think we should nominate. Hey Pui, let's nominate. I'm going to pass you the rako. Grab it out, grab it. No, hang on. I nominate Puhi. Here it comes. Coming your way. Grab it. And then you go live. And you fellas, man, teach us some of your waiata. The short ones, not the long ones. The easy ones to learn. That would be cool. I'd be rap. We're coming to your whare. I could say hello to your kuris and teach us a couple of waiata there. Anei te wero ki Porirua. Okay, whānau? I'm waiting for her to reply. I think she jumped off. Got scared. Anyway, whānau, thanks for tuning in. It's been a blast. I really enjoyed this one because he's not hoha, so it's all good. It's managing. Okay, whānau, noho ki te kainga, take care, appreciate your whānau, and we'll see you next time. Pō Marie!
Pō Marie!